1127 North Middleton Drive, Northwest, is a stately two-story custom-built home located in the neighborhood of Brunswick Plantation in Calabash, North Carolina. This luxurious 4-bedroom, 5-bath home offers over 4,000 square feet of open and versatile floor space, comprising expansive and captivating views of the surrounding landscape and golf course. Solid oak and walnut floors throughout adorn the layout of this exceptional home, as does a built-in stone fireplace and spacious custom kitchen with double wolf stoves and ovens and abundant high-end touches. The large second-floor bedroom and entertainment areas can be easily accessed with a stairway or the home's custom-built elevator. A spectacular open day room opens to a patio with its own built-in fireplace and grilling station. With an oversized 2-car garage and golf cart entrance, lush landscaping, and other high-end features, this home is one you will not want to miss out on. Call today